Hey, I'm sure by now you've been seeing a lot of the information. You went into your pre-enrollee back office. If you're watching this video, of course, you opted in to My Daily Choice and you became a pre-enrollee, and you've been learning a lot more about this stuff here. You've probably seen some of the different videos and all that stuff. But I'm here in this video, guys. I want to show you exactly what to do in regards of taking advantage of the best positioning so you can really maximize your commission. So I'm sure you went into your back office and your pre-enrollee back office and saw the different products and packages, and you're like, hey, where do I begin? Where do I start? What's the best package should I start with? So on and so forth. So what I'm going to do in this video, guys, really quick, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and really how the compensation plan works in regards of which package you need to actually pick to really maximize your, I guess, your biggest earning potential when it comes to My Daily Choice Hempworx. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So as you can see, let's start with the two most popular packages to maximize your commissions per sale. Okay, now there's really two positions that you definitely want to look at. There's executive and there's director. So those are the two that you really want to look at. I know there's a lot of different options and everything, but if you're really looking at My Daily Choice Hempworx to really impact your income, now and for the future, you definitely want to start off at least executive or director. Let me kind of break it down a little bit more. If you're at the executive level, okay, what that means is that's going to give you the opportunity to earn 50% in upfront commissions based off of whatever the volume is for that particular product or product package. Basically, in short, every product, whether it's an individual product or if it's a product package, it's going to have a certain number of business volume tied to that package, right? And I'm going to show you a little bit more how that looks in some of the other slides here in just a few minutes. But again, at the executive level, you can earn 50% upfront commissions based off of whatever the volume is. So executive upfront 50% commissions, and you even get overrides, you get matching bonuses, residuals, and you can earn commissions down 4 levels. Okay, meaning if you brought me in and I brought somebody in and that person brought somebody in and that person brought somebody in, you'll earn from all that volume. Okay, so anytime someone sells, and of course we got products that's in the news every day, everybody's talking about this stuff. Again, we got a product that's actually in the news, right? So you just got to let people know that you have it because people are seeing it. And so that's a lot of volume that you can actually be earning, but just from sharing it with someone and then they're sharing it with someone, and then they're sharing it with someone, and so on and so forth, right? So up to 4 levels instantly as an executive. And you can actually earn more as you rank up in the compensation plan, so on and so forth. But just starting out at the executive, you can earn upfront 50% commissions, overrides, matching bonuses, whatever your team is making, you can earn matching bonuses on that. Residuals, of course, residual income, and then of course it goes 4 levels deep. As a director, you earn 35% in upfront commissions. Not as much as an executive, but it's still 35% upfront commissions, plus you get overrides, matching bonuses, residuals, and you actually earn 2 levels, 2 generations of overrides that you can earn. So not as much as an executive that gets 4, but as a director, you can get 2. Now, these are the top 2 positions that you definitely want to get started at if you're looking at My Daily Choice as an affiliate. And of course, we have a lot of people that look at MDC Hempworx as, to get their products. We got some incredible products. I'm just got like a lot of them here on my desk. We got some incredible sprays. So a lot of people, we have a lot of customers, people that just buy the products that we offer, right? But if you're looking at this as an opportunity, which is why you're looking at this video, well, how much does it cost to get started as an executive or as a director? Let me show you. So as an executive, you can actually get started with an executive spray pack for $2.99. Matter of fact, what are the sprays? You see all these different sprays. You've probably seen some of the other information, right? So you can get an executive pack for $2.99, or of course, you can pay $5.99 and get a Hempworx executive pack. Either one of these packs, it doesn't matter. It's going to qualify you as being an executive. Okay, that makes sense. Whether you get a spray pack, for $2.99 or whether you get a Hempworx pack for $5.99, you're still going to be qualified as an executive, where you're going to be able to earn 50% upfront commissions and all the other bells and whistles. There's still a lot of stuff that I couldn't even put in this slide that you get as an executive, but this kind of gives you an idea of just some of the benefits and perks that you get at the executive level. Now, if you're wanting to know, well, how much it costs to become a director? As a director, you can actually get a director spray pack, okay, for $149, okay, or you can get a director Hempworx pack for $199. Whichever of those packs, doesn't matter. You'll be a director and you'll earn 35% upfront commissions and all the bells and whistles that comes with being a director. Now, of course, my number one recommendation, of course, is always going to be executive. Why? Because you're not going to leave any money on the table. If a sale is made, whether you make it or someone on your team makes it, you're definitely going to be able to earn commissions from that, and you'll be able to maximize the most earning potential, in the compensation plan starting off at executive. Make sense? Now, moving on, let's say, for example, to kind of break that down, if you came into the business as an executive, meaning, let's say, for example, you purchased a Hempworx executive pack, which is, again, how much? $5.99. Or you purchased a spray executive pack, the sprays executive pack, which is $2.99. You're going to be qualified as an executive. So congratulations, you're an executive in My Daily Choice Hempworx. So let me kind of show you exactly how much money you can actually earn per package that you actually sell, that you share. Remember, guys, all this really is just really sharing information. The media is doing a lot of this work for us, and it's just making it a lot easier, right? So let me kind of give you an example. Let's say you're an executive and you sell an executive Hempworx pack. Someone saw your information or your post on Facebook, your YouTube video, whatever, right? You send some information to a friend or a family member. Well, how much is that pack again? It's $5.99.95, right? It comes with 400 points of business volume with that package. Now, remember, as an executive, you get what? 50% upfront commissions based off of whatever the volume is for that package. So in this example here, 400 BV, 50% of volume, that's a $200 commission, because what's 50% of 400, right? It's 200. So you just earn $200, and you'll earn $200 every single time upfront commissions every time you sell one of these packages. That doesn't include the binary commissions. That doesn't include a lot of the other things that's not in this example. This is just, that's why I keep saying upfront. This is what you're going to get upfront, but you're going to be earning some additional commissions as well later on from that same sale, if that makes sense. Okay. Now, moving on, that's an executive pack. If you sold a director pack, that's $199.95. That's 100 points of business volume. 50% of that is $50, right? Makes sense, right? I told you it's pretty simple. Builder pack, that's 69 bucks. 40 BV there. 50% of that, of course, 40 is what? $20. So 250 to $20, right? Makes sense, right? So pretty simple. This can actually add up pretty well if you're doing 2 or 3 of these every single week. If you did 2 or 3 executive packs, 2 or 3 director packs, or 2 or 3 builder packs in a week, it's a pretty nice check coming next week, right? We get paid every Friday. Money's in the bank by Friday, sometimes earlier. This company pays on time, if not earlier, right? So it's pretty. Sometimes we actually get paid on Thursday, but it's pretty cool. So that kind of gives you an idea. If you're an executive and you're selling some of the Hempworx products that we have, right? And if you sell some of those packages, it kind of gives you an idea of how much money you can earn. Now, in terms of the sprays, let's say you're an executive and you sold an executive spray pack. I'm going to run through this really quick here. That's $299.95, 200 points of BV there, 50%, that's $100 right there, right? If it's a director pack, $149.95, 100 BV there, so it's going to be $50 there. And a builder pack, 69, comes with 40 BV. 50% of that is $20. So it kind of gives you an idea of how that works. Now, if you're a director, okay, let me kind of go back as a director. If you're a director, here are the examples, of the commissions that you can earn. Now, remember, as a director, you only get 35%. Okay, you're not getting 50% of the volume per sale. You're only getting 35%, which is still great, right? But kind of gives you an idea. 140 there. 35 and 14, and then of course if on the spray side, $70, 35, 14, still very generous, even at the director level. Okay, still very generous. You can make some significant upfront commission. Keep in mind, I keep saying upfront. I'm not talking about all the other money that's coming, you know, from your monthly residuals and, you know, check matches and all that. This is just upfront commissions for you personally making a sale. So if a lot of people want to know, how much do I get if I make a sale? Well, here's an example as a director. Now, again, still great commissions here, but executive, you just get way more, right? So let me kind of go back. So as a director, you get that, but watch this. So those numbers just go up 15% more. So you just earn more money. Now, here's the thing. My question for you is, how much money do you want to earn? Okay. If you come into My Daily Choice, if you're looking at this as an opportunity, how much do you want to make? Do you want to make 50% upfront commissions as an executive? Or do you want to make 35% upfront commissions as a director? Okay. Both are great. Of course, you know, my number one choice, of course, you know, is executive. It's just going to put you in the best position. You're not going to leave any money on the table, because the only difference is you still got to put the same amount of work. If you're going to put the same amount of work in, you might as well do executive so you can get the most money per sale that the company pays out per transaction. Make sense? There are 8 ways to get paid in My Daily Choice. Again, I'm not going to go over all the details. There's a lot of videos and a lot of information I'm sending you right now that can break all this down. But to kind of give you an idea, there's 8 ways we get paid. We get retail commissions, we get jumpstart commissions, we get binary team commissions, leadership check match, global bonus pool, rank incentive bonuses, the VIP car bonus, and of course an elite expense account. Again, we just got a lot of ways on how we can actually earn income. So how to get started, of course, you definitely want to choose either one of the Hempworx packs or one of the nutritional spray packs, whether executive or director. And of course, all you want to do, of course, if you're watching this video, you probably have already pre-enrolled. So you want to make sure to do that. To go back to this page, just go to MyDailyChoice.com/SRachel. Just go back there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to go here where it says log in the top right-hand corner. Just click on that. Again, just go to MyDailyChoice.com/SRachel and then come up here, click on log in. Okay. When you click on log in, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and where you can actually log in. But what you want to do, you want to click on where it says pre-enrollee. Click on that. That's going to take you to this page. Go ahead and click, go here, put your email address that you use to pre-enroll initially. Just going to put your email address in right there, and click on log in, and it's going to bring you to your pre-enrollee back office. Now, a lot of you might go to your MyDailyChoice.com, whatever, and it automatically logs you in because of the cookies on your computer. But if you can't, if it doesn't bring you to this page right here, just go ahead and go back to the page and follow those steps, and you'll be able to get back to your pre-enrollee position. Okay. Now, all you want to do from this position right here, you're going to see the time, the cutoff time for Thursday and all that. But just come up here to shop now, click on that. It's going to bring you to this page here. For this example, Hempworx Executive Pack, which of course is the #1 recommendation. Click on Learn More. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page here where you can choose your 12 items that comes with the Hempworx Executive Pack. You'll see all this, just a screenshot here, but you'll see all the different products. And you just choose which 12 that you want. I want this, I want one of these, I want 2 of those, one of these, one, until you get 12 items, and then you could just go through the next. It's pretty much a next type of thing, just like when you buy products online. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't have to explain it. But once you do that, guess what? Congrats, you're in. Congratulations. You're now an official My Daily Choice Hempworx affiliate. That's really what this is all about, right? So this is what you want to do. So from this point, what we're going to do is start your training, get your training and all that stuff all set up so you can really start doing some big things. And we'll pretty much just kind of just go from there. So with that said, guys, I just wanted to shoot this video, kind of give you a little insight on what you need to do to go ahead and get started, and how important it is to get started right? So you definitely want to make sure executive or director, choose one of those packages. Of course, executive is my #1 recommendation. It's just going to allow you to make the most money, and you're going to get more products that you can use to create your own testimonies and everything with it. So pretty cool, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. Hope you got some value from it. And Can't wait to start working with you guys. Again, once you get set up, we'll get the notifications on our phones and all that stuff, and we'll be able to plug you in to all the training, get you access to all the tools and resources. You know how we do things. So just get set up, get plugged in now, because you don't want to miss out your positioning right now as time is ticking, right? You know, for this week as you're watching this video. So you definitely want to connect right now. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you inside the group. Talk to you later.